For this fine motor skills activity, we will be creating a jellyfish out of some cut up coloured straws, a piece of card cut into a semicircle, and then we need to attach 4 bits of string onto the bottom, and then add a different coloured sticky dot at the above each piece of string. Then we're going to match up the correct colour. So for this one we have the purple dot, so we're going to thread on our purple pieces of straw up the string. Now continue doing this one piece at a time until you have covered the complete piece of string. Then you have completed one of the tentacles for the jellyfish. What you'll then do is you'll do the same for the red, blue and yellow tentacles until they're fully covered, and at the end you'll see your completed jellyfish. Now if you've enjoyed this activity, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there's lots more on there for you to try.